Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I got my LiveGlam. Y'all, I know this one is controversial. There's a whole big thing going around. I try not to get into the politics of stuff. I just like going on what the makeup is. So let's look and see what is in my subscription for January 2022 from LiveGlam. So LiveGlam is a $19.99 beauty subscription. You get lippies, palettes, eyelashes, different things, makeup related. 3 items, full-size items every month. Really fun. I really liked December's. Let's see what's in January. You can get these from the LiveGlam website, or you can get them off Amazon, which is what I did. I will have links to Amazon below, because you know me, I love my Amazon, free shipping, all that good stuff. Look, they come in a cute little baggie. Ooh, oh, okay, lashes. And then, ooh, Midnight Kiss. That's our theme for January. Tells you about it. Let's see what it says. It's time to bling the new year with our new collection, Midnight Kiss. Between glitter, champagne, and lots of glam, this collection will have you turning heads far past midnight with a gorgeous set of faux-mink lashes and 2 lightly pigmented matte lippies. These products inspire fresh beginnings with your makeup looks. This is your year, and take the spotlight. Tag us on Instagram with your year glam for a chance to be featured on our page. Stay glam. Happy New Year. XOXO LiveGlam Beauty Unboxing. So it looks like we have a classy lash, a Let's Kiss lippy, and a pop dink smooch. I think that's a dink. Is that a dink, y'all? Let's look at the lippies. Ooh. Lippies. So it said they're both matte formula. They're both nudes. And then you have lashes. I gotta get it out of this. Pink lashes, y'all. Ooh. Classic. Oh dear. They tried to run away. So you can see they do start out smaller and get larger. I like that. Oh, they'll be fun, won't they? I put them on today, but we're just going to lay them on top of my lashes just to see what they look like. So you see I'll have to cut some off, but it gives you an idea of what they're going to look like. Of course, unglued and far away from where they're supposed to be. It says, this year is all about stepping up your lash game. Play up your eyes with these long, slightly flared faux mink lashes. Okay, slightly flared. That's what I was telling you about. Let's look at the lippies. It's pop, clink, smooch. Yes, I guess I should have put my glasses on. Ooh, okay. We'll try it on in a minute. Vanilla-y type of smell. It says pop, clink, smooch. Once you pop, the fun don't stop. With a simple swipe, this burnt sienna shade will rev up your whole look just in time for the new year. The next one is Let's Kiss. The New Year wishes and midnight kisses. After all, what's more memorable than a pearly pink pout? This classic matte lippy is fun and fresh, perfect for the new year. Smells the same as the other one. Let's let them dry down and we'll put them on our lips. So let's try on Pop Click Smooch, which is this burnt sienna color. It's almost dry on my hand. It is a matte formula, so it's going to matte down. Let's see what it looks like. kind of love it. What do y'all think? It definitely doesn't go with what I'm wearing. Maybe with the proper lipstick, the proper makeup. Let's let it dry down. All right, so here it is, dried down. I still don't know if this burnt sienna color is my favorite. It's kind of pulling a little orangey to me, but I know that that will go great with some people's complexion. Maybe just not mine, but it is nice. Well, you know, that dry, sticky. Y'all, comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, so let's try on this Kiss from LiveGlam. Yeah, I don't know if I love either of these colors on my complexion. Now, it's not that it's a bad color. I know some people might love it. Y'all, I need your opinion. What do you think of these type of colors on me? I have a few of them that are this light, and I just don't know if they look right on me. What do you think? Let's let it dry down and see what it looks like. All right, so I let it dry down. It's still a little tacky. It has been several minutes. I gave it a good time. I don't know that I love these. I mean, I liked the first box. It's just these colors. What do you think? Comment below. So tell me what you thought of my LiveGlam. You think this was worth $20? I mean, I'm sure, you know, each individual one probably would be worth more than $20. I just don't know if this one hit the mark for me. Y'all, let me know what you think. Comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share, and press the notification bell. Y'all, have a wonderful day, and God bless.